And all the glory to the King of Kings. The one that saved me from the pits of hell, take me out from the abyss. Now I'm happy. I was 13 years old when I got jumped in the gang. Little loco banging, just doing my thing. They call me loco for the dirt I did. 14 years old, staying true to the blue. Real suit and you're just paying my dues. As I hit 15, my baby mom said, I'm pregnant baby, I didn't know what to say. I really didn't care about what would happen. All I knew was that I having a kid, so I started slanging for my kid to feed. Getting harassed by Susa PD. I never ever knew I was doing these things. I was dodging the sting of death. Never was a person that they really had faith. 16 years old and my daughter was born. Beautiful baby girl that with my heart adored. For her was my love, even though the game had me locked. Doing awful things to people on the block. In this game I'm stuck, I had no way out, but put it in work for the water for a while. Waiting in the line for my number to get called. I know soon I was gonna die, I ain't gonna lie. But the year just passed by, and the year I survived. It felt good to be alive. I passed those years, going through so much trials, until I hit another trial, a big trial, that keep me losing my head. And this is how it is. At 17 years old, I caught my first life case. I was depressed, getting down with fools and cells. I was hitting the big jail, but I know God helped me with it, and in 2 months I was free. Didn't even understood why God would do that, and I went back to banging on the block. Move out of the hood and still don't understood why you so good. Went back to my old evil way, with the devil messing with me. Hey, later on I got a case I got put in place. 5 years was gonna do from county jail to the big been through. So I started to pray in my head as I laid in myself, that from everyone I was away, and asked if it was real to take me out of there. He responded to my praying 7 days straight. He responded to my praying when I was praying to him, telling him I was gonna change. He gave me 2 chances. He gave me so much chances, not only 2, but so much chances to change my life around. And here I am, still alive, doing his work, working for him now. He took me out that place, I started going to church again. It was kinda new thing to me, but I had to do this, cause I made my promise. I ain't gonna turn around as a lover now. All bad things came out of my life, and I'm thanking you, God. So when the devil comes around and you know where to go, come to God, he's your only hope. Don't ever let him go, stay in him and win against his will. Put your trust in him, he releases you from my pain and everything the world brings that destroys you and me. You don't wanna be in hell, don't wanna be dead or in jail, so we gotta do his will, we can follow his steps, no matter how hard it gets. If you trust in him, he will bring you happiness, take you out from the deep place. No matter how deep it is, God always reaches you. He's a whole through dodgy way and nothing good. Unconditional love is what God has for us. Now don't use my clock and I'm being real. The enemy just comes to cheat and steal. The enemy is tricky, he tricks you so much with a lot of things, putting in your mind that everything you're doing is alright, that everything you're over there killing people, hurting people, knowing they have families, knowing they have a future too, they have a purpose in life. Instead of helping them out, and coming out from that gang life, instead of going out there and reaching them, we're doing bad things out there. And now this is my way to share my testimony so other people can see God's love through me. God has a purpose for everybody in life. Don't be scared and come to God's way. MC Live. Amen.